Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I'll show you how to unlock permanently locked Snapchats. Open your web browser and search for Snapchat support. Tap on the first link that appears. Scroll down and tap on Contact Us. Select I can't access my account. Choose My account is locked. You will see a message explaining that a temporary lock will end on its own after some time, and you can try logging back in via the app or selecting Unlock on their account site. Be sure to check the common reasons your account may have been locked. Trying to log back in to avoid getting permanently locked again. For permanently locked accounts, some may be eligible for an appeal. If your account is eligible, you will be able to access the appeal process in the app. To start the appeal process, open your Snapchat app and attempt to log in. When you see the pop-up screen, tap Appeal Decision. Please note that the Snapchat support team cannot unlock your account. The only way to unlock a permanently locked account is by submitting an appeal in the app. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.